Hello everyone, Oakley3 Dolphin here, and today I'm making a pretty, it could be mean or funny video, it really depends, about to celebrate the new box hats. So I decided, why not make box trot spies? So here we have the blue box trot spy and the red box trot spy. If you don't know what that's from, it's from a game called Team Fortress 2. And yeah, so I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. And yeah, see ya. Alright, you wanna go to, like Jama and start role playing there?
Yeah, maybe some people would understand. So, what world are you in? I'm in Ramu.
I'm in Ramu too.
Alright, let's go to...
Jama Tangent?
Yeah. Okay, come over here.
Okay, no need to boss me around, boy. Yeesh. So now what should we do?
Sit down so we can, look at each other face to face.
I don't know why we're doing this.
Don't ask me either, because I truly have no idea either.
Then why are we doing this?
Because it could be funny. Alright, what should I say to you?
I don't know.
Oh, stupid free chat. Brother, we must recruit boxes for our army.
That sounds like a great idea. Okay, does that sound good?
Yes, it sounds perfect so far. So, who should we recruit?
I don't know. Why are you asking me this?
Stay in character.
Sorry. People are coming. I'm kind of concerned. Got any ideas?
Be quiet! I'm thinking! Does that sound good?
Yeah, it sounds perfect. Well, you don't have to yell.
Too bad!
Brother, I don't think this is working.
Well, I don't think this is working either.
What are we gonna do? It's not working.
People in this world aren't too concerned. be quiet and let me think. Somebody's saying ew. Bruh. We never invited him. Guys, report 24HY. Report them, block them, scam them. I thought that was a tongue for a minute. Anyway. Inhale. Boy. Anyways. Back to the plan. Yes. Oh, thank you for stopping yelling. Oh no. It's a pig! Okay, no, just... How about we go on the Great Fox Migration? You look like an ended rat. What? Good idea. It seems legit. Yeah, let's go! Where should we migrate to first? This person is laughing at us. I'm gonna follow you. Oh no. How about across the bridge? Dark Bull. Silly Willy one. Thank you so much. Nobody likes the box. Everybody likes the light box. We slowly move across the bridge, brother. This is so beautiful. They move so slowly. That's mean. Rares over friends. No. I made it. Okay, let's go to our new home. LOL, the bridge won't break. Noob. Lol. Dude! You're so mean. This is where we will rest. I also just got a fact. Totally not breaking the fourth wall.
Okay, brother. Whatever.
I'm 13. Why am I doing this? Oh my god. It's not loading! My facts. They're not loading. You know what I should say? I should say I'm like 20. That'd be funny, but anyway. Oh, brother, wake up.
What?
I wish I could type it. I feel like a pile of mud.
Me too.
All brown boxes. That is 'cause it's your first time in his land. Oh my god, just stop. You're ruining it. Really silly. Oh my god. They slowly appear out of the darkness. Your noob dark box, not light. You're a noob dark box, not light box. Stop! You're ruining this. Fine, I quit. Oh, this is when the real drama happens. I didn't mean to press the... Oh, gee.
What did you do to my bro?
He's gone. And he's crying.
You were so mean. Why would you do that?
I think he thinks on caps lock.
Now I'm forever alone. And that's how it ends. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. It was kind of funny. The ending was pretty sad. But anyway, guys, Oakley 3 Dolphin signing off. Peace!